Are you struggling to lose stubborn belly fat? Even though you feel like you're doing everything right, you count calories, you hit the gym, but the scale just won't move. What if the problem isn't your willpower? What if it's not about calories at all? For most people, fat loss fails because of one powerful hormone, insulin. Now, before you think this is another video demonizing your body, let's be clear. Insulin is not the enemy. In fact, it's essential for life. Its main job is to take sugar glucose from your bloodstream after you eat and move it into your cells for energy. Think of insulin as a key that unlocks your cells and lets energy in. Without it, we wouldn't survive. Here's the problem. When insulin is present, it also sends another signal. It tells your body to store fat. Insulin is a storage hormone. And while your body is in storage mode, fat burning is completely shut down. Your body is efficient, but it can't do two opposite things at once. It cannot store fat and burn fat at the same time. This isn't theory. It's basic human physiology. When insulin is high, fat burning is off. Period. So what's keeping insulin high all day long? Most people assume it's sugar, candy, soda, and yes, those spike insulin fast. But the real mistake, even among health-conscious people, is constant eating. Every time you eat, insulin is released. It doesn't matter if it's an apple, almonds, a protein bar, or that oat milk latte you sip all morning. Every bite, every sip with calories, triggers insulin. If you eat breakfast, snack mid-morning, lunch, afternoon snack, dinner, and something before bed, your insulin stays elevated all day. Your body never gets the signal to burn fat. Fat cells stay locked. Insulin is holding the key. This is why people eat clean and still don't lose weight. Energy goes straight from the plate into fat storage. The body keeps running on the fuel you just ate, never touching the fuel already stored around your belly, hips, and thighs. So how do we fix this? You don't need extreme dieting. You don't need starvation. You just need insulin to drop sometimes. First, eat fewer times per day. Consolidate food into 2 or 3 real meals instead of grazing all day. This gives insulin time to fall and fat burning time to turn on. Second, stop drinking calories. Sodas, juices, sports drinks, and sweet coffee spike insulin without making you full. Stick to water, black coffee, or plain tea between meals. Third, walk after meals. A 10 to 15-minute walk helps muscles absorb glucose, reducing how much insulin your body needs. Finally, protect your sleep. Less than 6 hours makes you insulin resistant. Your body releases even more insulin for the same food. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Sleep is not optional for fat loss. Let's recap. Eat fewer meals. Cut liquid calories. Walk after eating. Sleep properly. Do this and you're no longer fighting your biology. You're working with it. Lower insulin and you unlock your body's natural ability to burn fat. If you want simple, science-based fat loss without hype, subscribe to Fat Loss Method. New videos every week.